Welcome to our class. Today we'll overview Kubernetes. What is Kubernetes? Kubernetes, also known as K8s or Kube, is an open source container orchestration platform. Kubernetes is able to automatic deploying, managing, and scaling containerized applications. Kubernetes was originally developed and designed by engineers at Google. Google was one of the earlier contributors to the Linux container technology. Google generates more than 2 billion container deployments a week, all powered by the internal platform Berg. Berg was predecessor to the Kubernetes, and the lessons learned from developing Berg over the years become the primary influence Kubernetes technology. Second topic, why you need Kubernetes. There are 3 generation types for the application deployment. First generation, traditional deployments. Deploy the application on the top of the operation system. All the dependency library have to directly on the OS. Second generation, virtualized deployments. Use virtual machine to deploy apps. One physical box has multiple virtual machines. Each virtual machine has an isolated operation system. The application depends on the libraries and OS. The virtual machine supports a backup snapshot and easily to restore to previous snapshot. Third generation, container deployments. Install container runtime support in the physical machine. Create a Docker image or image compatible with the CRI, container runtime interface. The image includes operation system, app depends library, apps configuration, and application. Container start based on the image. Image is a blueprint for the container. If you have hundreds, thousands containers, how to manage your containers? Kubernetes is the best answer. Kubernetes is able to automatic deploying, managing, and scaling containerized applications. There is a main function for the Kubernetes: service discovery and load balancing. Internal discovery through the DNS. That means my microservice, without any additional API or framework, they can talk to each other. And also services used to load balance purpose. Next, storage orchestration. Kubernetes supports multiple storage var plugins such as local disk, NFS, public cloud, etc. Automatic rollout and rollback. Auto rollout provides zero downtime update process for your microservice or app. Auto rollback means when update new version app failed, Kubernetes will be automatically back to the previous working version for your app. Automatic bin packing. You can set a required resource and limited resource for the pod scheduling. Self-healing, built-in health check strategy. If a pod crashed, Kubernetes will start a new pod in the same node or different node. Secret and configuration management. For sensitive information such as password, which is able to store in the secret. Actually, the secret stored in the Kubernetes only base 16 encoding in the etcd. If you want to use the secret store in the Kubernetes, please review with your security team. Also, Kubernetes support store configuration file in the configuration map to avoid packing configuration file in the image. That increases the flexibility of the container layout. Latest batch execution. through the jobs and the core jobs to provide the single batch task and the cycle scheduler task. Today we learned what is Kubernetes and benefits to use Kubernetes. Thank you for your watching. See you in the next time.